Hello, people, and welcome back live. Thanks for our high tea. And today, who's with us for high tea? I'm sure you'll have seen the story. So, our high tea today is with Bhumika Mirchandani. Yes, Krishna Chari London Wali heroine. Though she played a negative role, but she's one of the most positive people I've come across. And we're gonna have a nice chat with her about Krishna Chari London as well as what are her favorites and what is she doing while quarantined. So let's send her a request and get her here soon so that we can have our chats with her. And there as well. In the meantime, while we're waiting for her,
Oh my
hello,
god. Hi Shweta, how are you?
I'm good, Bhumika. How are you?
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is the first time I'm doing this.
Congratulations on your debut for life, and I'm so
Thank you
glad
so much.
you
How
have
are you?
joined us live. I'm good. How are you? How's
I'm
quarantine
very
going?
well, yeah. Thank you for asking. I'm very well. Oh god, this is so exciting. So, what's up? What's been up?
Besides painting, reading, going live, watching things online, reading, all this is on my side. What is going on with you?
I am watching all the Disney movies in Hotstar, and I'm sleeping like for 12, 13 hours a day, and nothing else apart from sleeping and Disney movies. Nothing else, completely nothing. And yeah, Ludo,
So
of
this
course, Ludo.
this glow is because of the good beauty naps that you're taking, and the
I'm
beauty
eating
sleep
a
is
lot of
working.
I'm eating a lot of fruits, dry fruits, juices. That's what my diet is all about in this lockdown. I'm not eating anything, junk, and in fact, I eat only one time meal, and that is only lunch. No
Oh
dinner, no
wow!
breakfast, nothing. So my day is all about fruits, juices, dry fruits. Yeah, that glow is because of that.
So now we know इस glow के पीछे एक तो beauty nap है, lots of sleeping. Besides that, obviously a lot of Disney on Hotstar is happening, so there's
Yeah,
only
happy,
fun
happy
and
things.
smile. And the fruits and the dry fruits are doing it all.
I know, right? I know. But these days in this lockdown, I don't know why. I'm a very bad painter. Okay, Shweta, as you told me that you're a painter, right? So
Yes.
I'm a very bad painter. I don't even know how to draw a circle properly. But in this particular lockdown, I feel like I want to draw all day and night. And I literally take a register, I take a pen, and I draw something cats, dogs, and all rubbish things. I don't know
But
this
that's the
lockdown.
best thing to do because even I didn't know to draw and I haven't learned, I haven't done elementary or anything. हम सबको ड्राइंग आती है, हमें सिर्फ वो बैठ के पेन लेके डिसिप्लिन लेके प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है और अब क्वारंटीन में हम सबके पास टाइम है तो हम सब आर्टिस्ट बन सकते हैं.
Actually, this quarantine has changed a lot. मेरे को नेचर पता है बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. अब मुझे पेड़ पौधे मेरे को घर से बाहर निकलना पसंद नहीं था. But in this quarantine, I'm feeling like I want to go to northeast, and I'm loving nature. I don't know what is happening with this lockdown. For me, it is very healing. I don't know. Something has very changed. Something has changed in this lockdown. Can you feel that, or it's only me? I don't know.
नहीं नहीं वो हम सबके साथ हो रहा है, हम सबको लग रहा है जब तक लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा ना we'll have a new birth, we'll all be a different person. In my
I
case I really don't feel any difference because I anyways keep doing these things.
I know you are a versatile person, and I am, if you'll ask me, I'm a very private person. I'm very isolated. All I want to do everything, but it should be at my home. I don't want to go out at all. So in
Okay.
2019, you won't believe I partied only 3 or 4 times in a year. So like I'm that isolated. I don't have any friends in Mumbai and all. But in this particular quarantine, my nature, I don't know, something is happening. I want 50 people in my house. I want to party. I want to go out. I want to do clubbing. I want to make new friends. I don't know. Something is very, I don't know, weird happening with me
I
in this
think जब
lockdown.
हमें बोला जाता है ना ये मत करो, automatically we feel like doing
Exactly.
that.
That is
So I think
exactly.
that is what is happening with you. That
Maybe.
suddenly you
Maybe.
know कि अच्छा okay you know अब घर पे रहो. So you're like no I want to go out, and usually it
Right.
is like go out and you're like no I want to be home.
Right. Right. Yeah. That is what happening.
So before I start asking you all the questions that your dear fans have DM'd me and they want to know and everything, a lot of your fans have joined us online. So would you like to tell them your hellos and hi's before we get started?
Hi everyone, what's up? Go to Delhi, shut up, Nitish. What's up, everyone? Yeah, so let's get
So
started.
tell me, London जाना कैसे हुआ? Your first debut show is Krishna Chali London, and how did it happen?
Shweta, it's a beautiful and a smooth story. I won't come up with a very struggling story with you. It was a very beautiful and smooth journey. You won't believe it was my first audition, and I'm just blessed. Vaheguru ka shukrana hai. I cleared it, and you know what? What happened? It's a very lucky story. It is with me. I gave the audition for that comic. What do we say that for that 1 week ka jo role hota hai?
A cameo.
Cameo role, yeah. I was for cameo role. That was only for 1 week. So when I gave my audition, they really liked me. They shortlisted me. It was my first pilot show. We were shooting in Lucknow, and there it was my first. I faced camera for the first time. I was working in front of the director. I saw the set for the first time, so everything was very new for me. But I was very confident when it was camera, and when it comes to acting, I was very confident. So my character name was Shikha at that time. As I told you, it was a cameo role, just 1 week role. So at that time, it was Shikha. But producers and creative director liked my acting or my confidence so much. They told me that we're gonna replace Shikha and we're gonna give this girl the lead negative role of this show. So I was so lucky. I don't know. I was in cloud nine. Touch wood, yeah. I was very lucky in this industry. It was all about
Absolutely. ये वाहिगुरु का शुक्राना ही है that you went for a cameo and you bagged a whole negative role. So what was your reaction?
Before I went for this audition, ना when I was nothing, when I came down to Mumbai, मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार बस खड़ी हो जाऊँ, मुझे बस काम मिल जाए, मैं ऐसे दिख जाऊँ कहीं पर, या मुझे बस ऐसा है मेरे को मेरी अर्निंग स्टार्ट हो जाए. अचानक से like first audition and I got this lead negative. It was Star Plus show 9 p.m. Beautiful production house and everything. So I was just too blessed.
Yeah, true. This has to be a blessing, you know, especially and
Exactly.
they say, you know, जब आप ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दो तो अच्छी चीजें अपने आप हो जाती हैं.
Very true. All you have to do is you have to be very positive about everything, no matter what happens. Even in this lockdown, a lot of people are struggling and they are like, क्या होगा, क्या होगा? It's okay. जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. Trust me. So chill, everyone. Yeah.
True. Everyone just chill and जो भी है आप enjoy करो जब तक future में whatever happens. Like enjoy today.
True.
So भूमिका tell me usually you know जब debut होता है तो हर कोई काफी डरता है negative role करने से and especially in television industry because you know वो एक बार vamp का थप्पा लग गया तो लग गया. But what was your reaction when you came to know okay it's a negative role but it's a full-fledged role?
Okay, so my Saurabh Tiwari sir, he was the producer and the creative. He was like everything of the show. So Saurabh Tiwari sir told me that your is a negative character. मैंने कहा I don't have a face of negative character. I feel my face is a little positive. I won't be able to pull off this character very well. So he said, I'm sure you will do it. It's like tadak bhadak chatak matak wala character. मैंने कहा okay, I'll try. So in the start, it was typical Kamalika type of negative, but later on I felt I don't know what happened to my character. एकदम अजीबो गरीब, funny, innocent. It was like वैसा character. तू मुझसे दोस्ती नहीं करेगा, मैं भी तुझसे बात नहीं करूँगी. So it was that very childish negative character. So for me, even for the industry, it was not proper vamp. At the end of the show, I became a positive character. So it was not proper vamp. It was very childish. It was more of a funny character, I would say. Negative funny. So वो थप्पा अभी तक लगा नहीं है, I agree. अभी तक नहीं लगा वो थप्पा. मुझे पॉजिटिव वाले आते हैं ऑफिस या ये वो है.
बहुत सारे आएंगे अब तो शुरुआत है that was just one show there's a lot more to do and by Vaiguru's grace we shall do a lot more live shows discussing those future shows when they come, maybe a lot of Disney kind of shows on your way.
Thank you so much.
You never know.
Right. Even you are Sindhi, now, if I'm not wrong.
Sorry?
You are Sindhi, right?
Yeah, I'm a Sindhi too.
Okay,
It's
Rohira.
just that हाँ रोहिरा में नी नहीं है मिर्चंदानी की टाइप yeah so a lot of people think कि मैं सिंधी नहीं हूँ but yes I'm a hardcore Sindhi.
She's नकली सिंधी. We are a
no I am a full-fledged Sindhi. मेरे नानी के साइड में असरानी है तो वो आनी वहाँ आ चुका है नानी के साइड में.
Okay.
But from my father's side we are Rohiras but yes I am also a Sindhi.
Okay, nice, very nice.
Hello, Dr. Saju. Hello, I think your friend Nitesh is going on messaging and he's saying this is makeup and this is hi and all of that. Daily Music Tadka, thank you for chilling with us. Hello everyone. Sorry we're not reading much of comments because we have a lot to talk, but thank you for sending in your questions and I will keep asking her and she's really happy to have you live with us right now. Okay, so tell me, if you had to tell your fans something in Hindi right now, what would it be? Hello, Vivek Kapoor.
First of all, my Sindhi is very bad. When I speak Sindhi, it's like more of gibberish. So nobody would
But
understand
that's
it.
same thing with me. So you know, जब मैं अपने grandparents के साथ बात करती हूँ ना, somehow वो सिंधी मैनेज हो जाती है. अब मुझे नहीं पता मैं मैनेज कर लेती हूँ कि वो समझ जाते हैं, but वो हो जाता है. Otherwise अगर अचानक कोई मुझे बोले सिंधी, I'm like अच्छा वे. So चलो कुछ सिंधी में try करते हैं because we are proud Sindhi.
Yeah.
So tell me something in Sindhi.
Guys, मतलब भा भेड़.
So let me translate everyone. वो कह रही है भाइयों और बहनों. Okay.
मुखे ही लाइन डाडी सुट्ठी थी लगे.
I really like this line.
और बोलूं क्या? और ज्यादा नहीं बोलना. I'm in Delhi Heights, Shweta, and I was in a Khalsa school. I was in a Punjabi school, so I know how to read and write Punjabi as well. तो मैंने बचपन से ना पंजाबी पढ़ी हुई है. तो when I speak Sindhi, मैं ना थोड़ा पंजाबी भी मिस कर देती हूँ. Like somebody asked me केड़ो आ रहा है, I say बहुत बढ़िया. Like I forget that word that dado sutto hai.
Sado sutto hai.
Punjabi and Sindhi a little. You speak something in Sindhi. I wanna listen your Sindhi.
Macha chawahane. So guys, macha chawahane means what do I say? Which is your favorite Sindhi dish?
Dal pakwan.
And हर सिंधी के घर में यूजली कड़ी चावल संडे को बनता ही है आलू टूट के साथ.
I know. Even Sindhi curry is my favorite. Dal pakwan and Sindhi curry. Meetha lola. Lola. Oh my goodness. That is my guilty pleasure. Meetha lola.
And do you eat papad? Since we are known for papad, जबकि हम में से कोई नहीं खाता है, you know.
कोई नहीं खाता है. No,
Sindhis are known for papad, but
yeah. सिंधी पापड़. मेरे को सब फ्रेंड्स यही बोलते हैं सिंधी पापड़ खाणो. I don't know why they say that. There are two things in Sindhi. One is papad, one is अगर सांप दिखे और सिंधी दिखे तो पहले. Oh, by the way, do you know the story behind this? Do you know the story? Why this line is like अगर सांप दिखे और सिंधी दिखे तो पहले सिंधी को मारो. The reason behind it, सब लोग सुन लो नीचे अच्छे से. So the reason behind is सिंधीज आर सो स्वीट. एक बार जंगल में पंजाबी और सिंधी जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने सांप को देखा एंड बोलते हैं कि सांप दिखे और सिंधी दिखे तो सिंधी को मारो बिकॉज सिंधीज आर सो स्वीट. तो सांप को भी अपने वश में कर लेंगे. दे आर सो चार्मिंग एंड दे आर सो. उनके मतलब एक वो होता है उनमें, वो किसी को भी वश में कर सकते हो. दैट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस लाइन. Because they are
I knew कि हमेशा लोग कहते हैं कि सिंधी दिखे और सांप दिखे तो पहले सिंधी को मारो, but I didn't know this was the story behind this. So
yeah,
आज सिंधियन को एक और स्टोरी मिल गई सिंधी की.
yeah, वो बता देना सबको है. Sindhis are sweet, that's why it is like that. At least it's a damage control. At least अगर स्टोरी सही भी नहीं होगी तो ठीक है ना. It's a damage control for us. Yeah.
No, like you said, you know, like you
Sindhi dish.
Sindhi curry too. It's my favorite. Like Sunday, मतलब मुझे टू खाना ही है और उस चक्कर में सिंधी करी बन जाती है. But that's my favorite. And थदरी के टाइम पे obviously लोला and दाल की रोटी is another favorite of mine.
Oh, I know. So where do you put up in Mumbai, by the way?
So I am based in Andheri. What about you?
Andheri West Lokhandwala.
अरे वाह. So post quarantine हमें मिलना चाहिए.
Of
And
course,
some more Sindhi bonding.
my mom cooks Sindhi curry too yum. So you should come someday.
Superb. Done. So tell auntie I shall be there. Sindhi curry too khane with meethi bhundi too. So perfect Sindhi lunch we shall have.
I know, right?
Okay, tell me, when you started your career and you came to Mumbai and all, which was the funniest moment of your life while shooting?
Funniest, I would say. I cannot recall as such what was the funniest moment, but मुझे यार एकदम से याद नहीं आ रहा. पहले यहाँ तो क्वेश्चन भेजते कि भूमिका ये क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली है.
ओह सॉरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम ना मैं पहले क्वेश्चंस भेज दूंगी पहले से ही कि ये क्वेश्चंस है, तो सब याद करके रखना.
याद आएगा. आई नो दिस इज सो एकदम से नहीं याद आ रहे. फनीएस्ट मोमेंट नेक्स्ट टाइम
Okay.
वी स्क्रिप्टेड.
ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए रखती हूँ. ठीक है.
डन. आई
Uh,
थिंक अबाउट इट.
Any embarrassing moments that happened on the set or while performing something?
A lot.
Okay, so one of them.
Moments. Embarrassing moments. Oh God, बहुत सारे थे. So there was a scene where I don't know. I don't remember properly, but okay, yeah. There was a very embarrassing story. More of it was it made me so demotivated. What happened once? I was shooting and it was a new director. And what happened? हमको ना suggestion में पीछे खड़ा होना होता है. I was new. I didn't know about suggestion. And all the time, what happens now? Assistant director tells you that you have to come in the suggestion. Come here. So that's what happens. So I was sitting and director was shooting. So there was a scene where मेरा suggestion लगना था. मैं बैठी हुई थी, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, मुझे नहीं पता था, मुझे था कि डायरेक्टर बुला लेंगे. And I was sitting, and that particular director was very strict, and he was new, and he didn't know that I'm new in this industry, or I don't know. So there were almost 100 people around, 70 juniors, and everybody was there. I didn't go for the suggestion, and when he took the shot and he cut it, he looked at me and he said, "भूमिका तुमको suggestion में खड़ा होना था." मैंने कहा आई एम सो सॉरी सर, मेरे को ध्यान नहीं आया, आपने जब स्टार्ट किया तब मैंने देखा. लिसन, डोंट मेस विद योर डायरेक्टर अगेन. अगर किया ना कभी शॉट नहीं लूंगा मैं तुम्हारा. ये चीज उन्होंने 5 मिनट तक मुझे इतने गंदे तरीके से बोली. श्वेता, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू. No, you just imagine my situation at that time. I'm a newbie. Okay, that's I guess 3-4 months हुए होंगे. In front of 100 people, 70 juniors, and everybody out there, all my co-actors, and he was yelling at me. He was literally yelling at me because I didn't go for the suggestion. Arey, you didn't call me, and I didn't know that you are taking that particular shot where I was there. So, Shweta, you cannot believe. 1 week tak I couldn't prepare my lines. I was so nervous in front of him. I couldn't perform. So that is something I really cannot get rid of. That was.
Oh my God! If I was in your place, I think I would have cried and ran away from
I
there.
didn't cry. I didn't cry. I was. All I said was, "Sir, I'm sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. Sir, I'm sorry." Though it was not my mistake. You should have told me that you were taking that shot. You should have told me that. So he was like, "You have to be very attentive." But if it's not my shot, how could I be so attentive now? So that was very, I don't know. Even if I still think about it now, मेरे को डर लग जाता है बहुत.
I am
But
sure
he was an
कि
amazing
कुछ-
director.
Okay, so at least कुछ benefit था at the end of it.
Yeah. And one more scene, if you're asking embarrassing scene ना, तो there was a shot. मैं ऐसे करके खड़ी हुई थी, ऐसे करके. तो ना मुझे ना I was waiting या मुझे किसी से बात करनी थी, कोई रिसेप्शन में आने वाला था, तो I was doing like this, ऐसे. कब आएगा? And director was like, "Bhumika, don't do that. That is looking very bad." There was a lot of things like I didn't know, unintentionally कुछ ऐसा हो जाता था जो बहुत funny हो जाता था set में, in scenes में. So yeah.
So there's also a famous phrase, a phrase that you kept saying during your thing. What is that thing? If you could say it for all of us.
Ambe Maiya. So yeah, it was Ambe Maiya. That was my catchphrase, and मैं हर चीज में अम्बे मैया बोलती थी, and that is what I got famous for. I feel even if I go to the airport and if somebody recognizes me, so what they do is they take their phone out and they say अम्बे मैया बोल के दिखाओ. Yeah, this is like I am known for अम्बे मैया basically. Yeah.
So tell me, as a kid, did you always want to be an actress? कि वो grow up होते हुए अचानक कीड़ा काट गया?
See, we are Sindhi girls, okay? And Sindhi girls are treated like princesses of their houses. They don't have to work, they don't have to go out. And
हाँ, न्याणी से कुछ काम ना करायो.
what?
न्याणी से कुछ काम ना करायो.
हाँ, exactly. तो संजय न्याणी है बेटे. So it was like that for me. So I never thought of becoming an actor because I was sure that my family would never allow me to enter into this industry because of obvious reason. We all know that this industry's name is quite ruined in the like in families or whatever. So my family was always like, so I was an actor since the day I was born. I feel. So I'll tell you one more story. What happened? My mom was 9 months pregnant, and when I was there, so she was 9 months pregnant. She was watching Rosa movie, okay, and she felt some contractions. What do that labor pain? She felt that, and she was doing like I was there, and I mean I was in the uterus or whatever. So she was doing that. Oh, pain ho raha hai, and it was 1:30 a.m. or 2 o'clock. And she was doing पेन हो रहा है. मेरी बड़ी मम्मा एंड मेरे बड़े पापा भैया लोग स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. तो उनको लेबर पेन हो रहा था, बट शी डिडंट गो टू द हॉस्पिटल बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू कंप्लीट द मूवी. So she was like that altogether. And so yeah, तो सब लोग बोलते थे इसका नाम रोजा रखना. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरी इतनी सी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं थी. You had to complete your movie first and you were in labor pain. You didn't go to the hospital for me. And you had to complete your movie. So I always say, I was born for this, I feel. And also, I'll tell you why I'm saying that I was always an actor. My mom was working, my dad was working, my sister, I have an elder sister, she was in hostel. So I was alone and I wanted some attention, love, and everything. So my mom was working, and what I used to do was I used to fake my illness. I used to fake that I have a headache, and a lot of children do that. A lot of people do that. Okay, but mine was to some another level. What I मतलब मेरा इतना ज़्यादा हद पार हो गया था that my mom had to get an MRI done for me. मतलब इतना मैंने हद से ज़्यादा एक्टिंग कर दी थी हेडेक की कि उस टाइम पे 7,000 लगे थे MRI के. तो ऐसे ना बहुत चीज में ना मैंने नेचुरल एक्टिंग बचपन से इतनी ज्यादा करी थी ना. सो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव बिकम वन एक्टर. So yeah, it was all about childhood stories. I had
So,
many childhood stories.
Jivishu, you're talking about which queen? There are two queens. Which one do you want to know about from Mumbai? So, okay, if you had to do a reality show, which one would it be?
I would say maybe Big Boss.
I'm sure you will enjoy, and all of us are going to enjoy if you're in Big Boss. So,
Yeah.
Big Boss people, if you're listening, she's quite keen on Big Boss. Maybe you can approach her for Big Boss.
Yeah, Big Boss, I feel first of all I love to stay at home, so that is like a cherry on the cake for me. And yeah, it's fun. I feel it's fun. Big Boss.
So,
What
it's
about
not
you? I'm
a
gonna ask the same question from you as well.
reality show.
Yeah.
I think Fear Factor.
I
Or a
wouldn't
dance
mind
thing.
Roti Khilari. I wouldn't mind that too because I feel मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ,
Like,
मतलब मैं बिग बॉस नहीं कर सकती हूँ, वो मुझे पता है, because I cannot be confined in one house and leave my family and friends here and go. But Fear Factor or Jhalak Dikhla Do is something I think I would be excited.
oh, you are a
to do.
dancer?
I am not, but वो करते करते बंदा डांसर बन जाता है by the end of it, I think. So I wouldn't mind giving it a try.
True that.
Yeah. What about you? Do you dance?
Yeah, I was a choreographer. I was a dance teacher when I was 18. So there is
So-
I'm very height as I told you. There is a school GD Goenka La Petite. So there I was a dance teacher. So yeah, I'm a kind of a choreographer. I love dancing.
So
And I
what's
love
your favorite
sports,
form
but
of
I don't know
dancing?
how to sing. Yeah, I love singing. I love.
करते करते हो जाएगा. क्वारंटीन में गाना शुरू कर दो. By the time lockdown gets over, you'll be a
Shweta,
pro
you
at
would
it.
block me if I would sing. Pata hai, you would literally block me. I'm such a
No,
bad
no.
singer.
I promise I won't block.
But you know the funny thing is I know I'm a bad singer. Everybody tells me that. But I'm so confident that I can sing on the stage in front of 10,000 people.
बस फिर आप सिंगर बन चुके हो. Just practice and you're there.
इतनी गंदी हूँ ना कि प्रैक्टिस से भी नहीं होगा श्वेता.
होगा होगा. सब हो जाता है practice से. So just get at it. Don't hold back. Like by the time lockdown gets over, we should get you singing and get a album by you.
Yeah, singing is a very, I don't know, it's a, for me it's a big turn on. If a guy or a girl is singing, I feel that's a big turn on for me. मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर लड़की गाना गाती है ना, तो किसी भी लड़की को पटा सकती है.
ओह, फिर तो क्या, what are you waiting for? फिर तो singing शुरू कर
ना
दो.
वही तो बहुत हो गया. बस बहुत हो गया, अब सिंगिंग से ही पटाएंगे.
Okay, so tell me, if not an actor, what would you be?
Chef.
So
Chef.
what do you like to cook?
Indian food, a normal Indian food, and nowadays diet food, everything vegan maybe, everything without oil, sugar. I've quit sugar, but basically proper Indian food, snacks and everything. Not into bakery, desserts, or not in that, but proper Indian food. So I had a little thing like if I'll get married, so I want a very simple life, you know. First of all, I don't want to get married to an actor because
Okay.
I will have a lot of trust issues with an actor because I have heard a lot of stories. If a boy is doing a romantic scene with a co-actor, उसको प्यार हो जाता है. लड़कों को वैसे ही बड़ा जल्दी प्यार हो जाता है. तो I cannot date an actor for sure. So I want a very simple guy in my life. So मैं हमेशा ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि शादी होगी, वैसे ऑफिस से आएगा, मैं अच्छे से स्नैक्स बना के रखूंगी, पूरा 3-4 स्नैक्स बना के रखूंगी. So yeah, I love feeding people. I love pampering people. So
Wow, that's so sweet.
yeah.
And I'm sure if you would be a chef, you would cook with so much love that automatically वो restaurant चल रहा होता. So
I
have you tried quarantine में कोई recipe, something new? Have you tried? Since everyone has become a cook.
something new quarantine में तो to be very frank I have not cooked anything because I am so blessed that I have 24/7 maid here. मतलब लॉकडाउन से पहले ही मैंने रख ली थी तो आई एम ब्लेस्ड so she only cooks everything. But yeah, I recently मैंने hummus platter बनाया था पूरा with sauté vegetables, hummus, pita bread. So yeah, that I cooked and even gur ki kheer. As I
Oh
told you,
wow.
I don't eat sugar now. I cooked gur ki kheer and one thing I cooked in this lockdown, dates dates ki barfi.
Dates
It
की
was
बर्फी.
dates and dry fruits.
Wow.
Full of dates and dry fruits, no sugar, no jaggery, nothing. Only dates and dry fruits. So it was protein bar. It was dates protein bar. So that I cooked and it was yum.
Wow, we should know the recipe so that we can also try this thing. This is like really
YouTube,
nice.
YouTube
Yeah.
link. YouTube link.
Done, done. हम YouTube पे देख के try करेंगे.
Done.
अच्छा, tell me,
Yes.
which is your favorite movie?
Sanam Teri Kasam.
Okay, and the favorite song from that?
From that particular movie you're asking or in general?
From that movie.
The title song. Sanam Teri Kasam. Oh, yeah, that's the title song. Oh god, beautiful movie, Shweta. You have to watch that movie. Mavra O'Kane, she's playing the lead role in that movie. Beautiful acting she has done. Amazing acting. Amazing.
I shall watch it. I haven't watched it, but पक्का से अब क्योंकि मैं रोज कुछ ना कुछ देख
Sanam
रही हूँ तो
Teri
ये तो मैं
Kasam is
100%
must watch.
देखूंगी.
I literally watch once a month that movie. That is, and every time I watch it, I cry. That is such
Oh.
an emotional movie. Yeah. What about you? Which is your favorite movie?
I like all romantic movies, but if I have to say a favorite, then it would be like मैंने प्यार किया और दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Oh, 90s girl, typical 90s.
Totally, totally. Be it songs, be it movies, I love the
Songs
90s.
to even
का
I
जो-
love 90s songs. Songs.
Which is
so-
your favorite song from the 90s?
ये दिल दीवाना.
दीवाना.
God,
परदेस से.
if we plan for a drive now, we'll play that song in full loud music
And
that
sing
is-
loudly. No matter
Yeah.
if we are getting blocked or no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a nice person or a naughty person?
I would say I am 70% nice and 30% naughty. I'm bubbly as well.
Okay.
With selective people, of course. Very selective people. I'm bubbly.
What are the 3 things you spend your money on?
A good house. That is the first thing because, as I told you, I'm very homely girl. I love to stay at home, so I want my house to be very beautiful. So I can, invest or give money on the rents. I don't mind giving money on the rents, no matter how much it is. So first is house. Second is, I would say, diet. Of course, that should be first. Diet. I eat, as I told you, fruits, juices, dry fruits, and everything, all the good things. So yeah, diet. third thing would be maybe clothes. Yeah, clothes. But yeah,
What
yeah, maybe
app?
phones. I don't know.
Sorry?
Maybe phones. I don't know. Like third is clothes. I don't know. Yeah, tell me what was the next question?
What apps are you using the most?
Okay, so nowadays in this lockdown, there is an app called Bigo Live. Have you heard about it?
Vivo Live.
Bigo Live. Yeah, it's an app. So almost all the not all the celebrities, but a lot of celebrities are there now. So what they do, celebs go live there and they talk to, they interact with their fans. So yeah, I go live there. So basically, that is the first app I'm using the most. Bigo Live. The second is Snapchat. Of course, I'm way too active on Snapchat. I post everything on Snapchat. Kuch bhi ho to Snapchat, story ho to Snapchat. Yeah. Third is I would say maybe Instagram. No, not Instagram. WhatsApp.
Okay. If you were reborn, not now, but some other time, you would like to be born in the past, in some era like 90s or like 80s or some Mughal era or sometime in future.
Okay, I would say 90s, 80s, 90s.
If you had to
The
do a
only
movie with,
reason, the only reason is at that time the relationships were too beautiful to handle. They were all lovey-dovey and everything was so loyalty and everything was there. Nowadays, it's all bad. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is social media for you?
Social media for me, see nowadays I have very mood swings. First of all, I'm facing a lot of mood swings in this quarantine. So abhi recently what I do is 15 days I'm off social media completely, 15 days I'm back. So I don't even use my phone, not WhatsApp, nothing at all. I don't use my phone altogether. So for me, social media, I guess everybody, all of us should use in limit. I feel we are spending a lot of time in our phones, and trust me, it's not good for be it health or our mental peace and everything. So for me, social media should be in limit and only for utter time pass, not beyond that. You should not compare yourself with anyone you are watching, or if you're bored, then only that should be the time you should be using social media. That should be the last thing you should be using. So yeah, that is like I don't give that much importance to social media. I don't give it.
Which is your
Not.
favorite cartoon figure?
Oh, favorite cartoon figure. See, I'm a Disney girl. Okay, I'm a very girly girl, very girly. I love all the princesses, Rapunzel, Cinderella, and everything. But they won't be counted as a cartoon. They would come in Disney.
Fairy tale,
But
yeah.
yeah, if you're gonna ask me cartoon, I loved to watch Powerpuff Girls when I was little. So in that there was Bubbles. Yeah, Bubbles. So it was Bubbles.
Okay. If you had to describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be?
3 words. I would say positive. I'm very positive. Second would be bubbly, playful. Second would be playful. I love playing games and I cannot sit like that. I am not, if I have a group of friends out here, I won't talk to them. I don't want to talk about relationships and stuff. I want to play games. Play any kind of games with me. I would love that. So yeah, I'm a very playful girl. So first was what? Positive, playful, and cute.
Okay. So now tell me, popcorn or chocolate?
Chocolates, dark chocolates. Like I cannot eat chocolates because of sugar. I eat dark chocolates. Not
Okay.
popcorn.
Comedy or thriller?
Thriller.
Which
Okay,
is
this
your
is a
favorite?
little both actually, comedy and thriller. But still, if I will choose one, then it would be thriller. Not horror. It should be thriller, suspense thriller. I cannot take horror movies.
Favorite thriller movie?
Drishyam.
And favorite comedy movie?
Okay, a lot of them actually. Uh, all the best is nice. Welcome is nice. There are a lot. Hera Fairy is nice.
Okay. You love going to cinema hall or you love watching it at home?
Now at home. Like not now because of the lockdown, but yeah, from past 1 year I love watching at home. जब से ये Fire Stick and Netflix आया तब से.
Romance or action?
Any day romance. कहाँ से मैं action वाली लगती हूँ? Just look at me. कहाँ से लगती हूँ?
सनम तेरी कसम के अलावा which other romantic movie you like?
If I'll say now, you guys will judge me.
No,
I
we
like
won't.
Viva.
Oh, I love Viva. I love the
Viva,
title
no?
track मुझे हक है a lot from Viva.
I know, right? Viva is such a beautiful movie. I want शायद पूरा वाला लड़का. वैसा ही सेम. अगर कोई देख रहा है तो यार DM for रिश्ता.
So, like you know, she's ready to get the rishta done. You can DM her for rishta, and but you have to be like Shahid Kapoor and Viva. तो अगर आप पहले जाओ Viva देखो, अगर आप वो मार्क कर सकते हो अपने आप को कि हाँ मैं शाहिद कपूर की तरह हूँ विवाह में, मैं ये सब करूंगा और आप मुझे हक है गाना गा सकते हो, then please DM भूमिका.
Yeah, do that right now. And even Man is a beautiful movie. Amir Khan's Man.
Yeah, that is there. Which is your favorite song from Man?
खुशियाँ नहीं
और गम.
नहीं that
खुशियाँ और गम से थी.
तुझको चाहूंगा दम. That song and खुशी और गम सहती है. खुशी और गम सहती है. फिर भी ये
Okay. You like Disney or Marvel?
Disney, any day Disney, no Marvel, no transporter and all the robots. No, I cannot take them. I want all the pinky blue colors on the screen. The fairies are flying. All the magical things are happening in the air. It's a true kiss of love and everything very beautiful. I like. Any day
Okay.
Disney.
Favorite fairy tale?
I don't. Maybe Cinderella. I would say yeah, Cinderella. I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I want
So there we
someone to
finish our this. So here we finish our this or that, and I'm so glad you're here with us live. So I
So
hope
am
you
I.
enjoyed our live session, and looking forward for a lot more.
Yeah, sure, done. And we'll catch up very soon. Yeah, we live so nearby. We'll catch up.
Done. So if you want to
Done.
tell anything to your fans before we say bye.
Yeah, guys, it's a lockdown. Please take a lot of people. You are doing what you are doing is you are not eating well at all. You are not eating leafy vegetables because उसमें virus होगा या कुछ. You're not taking care of your health. All you are eating is a lot of people. In fact, dal and chawal. No, at this time your immunity system should be very strong. So eat a lot of lemons. Eat very good. Make your diet very good. Take a lot of precautions, of course. But don't compromise on your diet. Eat as good as you can in this lockdown. Don't worry यार जो होगा देखा जाएगा जब जाना होगा चले जाएंगे. Don't worry at all. थोड़े precautions लो बस. And don't take stress. Stay positive and stay lively. It's okay. जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. That's it.
Thank you,
And I
Bhumika.
love
It
you
was
all.
great to have you live. See you soon. Take care.
Take
Bye.
care, yeah. See you. Bye. Take care. Bye, everyone.